What can I do for you? Huh? You all right now?
On the line, pull them up.
Just watch the sands here. Hold on. What? Rennie, it's okay.
It's okay, Rennie.
Take some breaths, buddy.
It's okay, bud.
Nice cinchy tug. Now roll. Roll towards me.
Okay. On three.
Slightly. Yep.
1, 2, 3.
And grab these and give them one more good. Yep, bottom to top.
It's all right. Just take some breaths, okay? This is to help protect you and us, all right?
All right, we good?
Yeah.
Good. Through.
Get these shears back to Brian.
Good. You're all right,
Yep.
man. You're okay.
I just want to grab my foot either.
When you're warm.
Yep. Just taking the stuff off your face, okay? You doing all right?